Hi everyone. I thought I would share with you the trick that I learned to figure out what key signature a piece of music is written in. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please share the video with your friends. Maybe it will help them as well. So starting at the top here, if you see a staff where there's no markings at all, that is known as C major. So this you just have to memorize. No markings, C major. If you want to find out what the relevant minor is for this key, you just have to count 3 down. So C, B, A. So the relevant minor would be A minor. Now coming to the sharps, there's a fixed rule for all the sharps and a fixed rule for all the flats, and it's very easy to remember. So for the sharps, you just count one note higher. So this one, the sharp is sitting on the F line, so one note higher would be G, which means that this is G major. The next one, the sharp is sitting on the C, so if you count one note higher, this becomes D major. I'm not going to write major everywhere, but the red color is the major keys. Okay, the next one, it is sitting on G, so after G comes A, so this is A major. Then the next one, the note is sitting on a D, so this becomes E major. And the next one, the last one is sitting on A, so this becomes B. And then the next one, the last one is sitting on E, so this becomes F. Now for the last two sharps, in other words, when you have more than 5 sharps, you have to add the sharp symbol to it. So this is F sharp, and then the last one is sitting on B, so this is C sharp. The last two you have to add sharps. So as soon as you have more than 5 sharp symbols or markings, you just add sharp to it. Now coming to the flats, the rule is that you count the second last flat to find out what key signature it is. Now you'll notice in the first one that we have only one flat. So I will come back to that one now to determine which key this is. If we go to the second one, this is sitting on E, this one is sitting on B, so this equals B. And for all the flat key signatures, you add the flat as well. So all of them are going to have flat, flat, flat. My flats look more like little bees. Okay, so how do I now know this first one, what that is? So you'll notice if we check the second one, if we count the notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always 4 notes down. So if we do the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, gets to F. This is the only one where you don't write flat because it is sitting alone. I try and remember it that way. If it's sitting alone, there's no flat in the name of the key. So let's come to the third one. The second last one is sitting on E. So this is E flat major. This one is sitting on A. This one is sitting on D. This one is sitting on G. And this one is sitting on C. So now we have all the flat major keys. So this is F major, B flat major, E flat major, A flat major, D flat major, G flat major, C flat major. Let me change the color to blue for the minor keys. So as I said, for the minor keys, you have to count 3 notes down. Okay, so counting down, so if we go G, F, E, so that this equals E minor. D goes D, C, B, B minor. And then from the third one onwards, you have to start adding the sharp key. So for the major keys, only the last two. For the minor keys, from the third one onwards. So A, if we count backwards, G, so this is F. E goes D, C. B goes A, G. F goes E, D. C goes C, B, A. So this would be E minor, B minor, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, and A sharp minor. So when we come to the flats, we apply the same rule. As I said, from the third one in the sharps, you have to add the sharp. With the flats, you do only the last three. So only the last three will have a flat. Okay. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from 5 onwards has a flat. Okay, so let's count the three notes. So F, E, D. So this equals D minor. B goes B, A, G. G minor. E goes E, D, C. A goes A, G, F. D goes D, C, B. G goes G, F, E. And then C goes C, B, A. So the relevant minor keys: D minor, G minor, C minor, F minor, B flat minor, E flat minor, and A flat minor. So now we've done all the major keys and all the minor keys. I hope you find this trick useful. For me it works to find out what key signature I'm in. Okay, so now that we know the rules, let us try some sheet music and see if we can figure it out. So this one has two sharps, so we go one note from the last one up. So this is sitting on C, so this becomes D major. And then to find, because there's not more than 5, there's no sharp key, and to find the relevant minor key, we go 3 down, so D, C, B. So this becomes B minor. This one has 2 flats. So again, because it's not 1, I need to add the flat symbol. We look for the second last one, which is sitting on B. So this is B flat major. And the relevant minor, we count 2 down. So B, A, G, G minor. If you find it helpful, as I said, please share it. I hope it helps you and your friends as well. Have a nice day.